Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot account with OAuth scopes, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize your HubSpot account with OAuth scopes, first, navigate to the HubSpot developer account. Log into your HubSpot developer account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Apps menu in the top navigation. Select Create App to start building your new application. Fill in the required details for your app in the provided fields. In the OAuth section, define the scopes your application will request. Scopes determine the level of access your app will have within HubSpot. To define these scopes, refer to the HubSpot API documentation for a complete list. Next, set the redirect URL for your application. The redirect URL is where users will be sent after they authorize the application. Make sure this URL is accurate to avoid authorization issues. After filling in the details, click Create App to save your changes. Locate the client ID and client secret generated for your app. You will need these credentials later in the authorization process. Now, proceed to the actual authorization flow. Direct users to the authorization URL using the client ID and specified scopes. This URL typically follows the format provided in HubSpot's OAuth documentation. Users will be prompted to log in and authorize your app. Upon successful authorization, users will be redirected to your specified redirect URL. This URL will include a temporary authorization code appended as a parameter. Capture this authorization code for the next step. Use the authorization code to make a request to HubSpot's token endpoint. In this request, provide the client ID, client secret, and authorization code. Once HubSpot validates this request, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as they are essential for making API calls. Finally, verify that authorization has been successful by making a test API call. Use the access token in the request headers to authenticate. If you receive a valid response, your HubSpot account is now authorized with the specified OAuth scopes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.